We build strength, stability, and self-reliance through shelter. We here at Habitat for Humanity, La Crosse area, believe that many homeowners in our community struggle to make needed repairs on their homes. Through our critical home repair program, we help them complete emergency repairs on their homes so they can stay in their homes and keep their families safe. Homeowners must repay Habitat for the costs of the repairs through a 3 to 5 year, 0% interest loan. For more information on the Habitat for Humanity La Crosse Area Critical Home Repair Program, visit www.habitatlacrosse.org or email info@habitatlacrosse.org.